This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer and save photos to your SD card on your Xiaomi phone. So the first thing we want to do is go to our camera options. So let's choose camera, hit the down arrow, go to settings right here, and there's going to be an option under settings that's called save to SD card. Make sure this is turned on. Now your pictures are going to be saving to that SD card. And then we don't have to transfer them all over in the future. Now on the home screen here, let's find something called Files. So here's Files. Go down in the internal storage for the phone. Go to DCIM. This is probably where your picture is going to be located. Go to Camera. Now you can transfer over everything under Camera, this entire folder. Otherwise you can go in here and you can just transfer over one picture. If we go to Move To, we can go to Move To, SD card right here, find the spot. Here's a new folder I made, DCIM, and I can move it here on my SD card. And now I moved it over there. So you can check out your SD card under Files right here, and you can see everything that you moved over. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.